guys, I'm gonna be building these paper airplanes today. Let's get started. And we're gonna start with this one. And so what you're gonna do for that one, make a crease in the middle. And then you are officially done with this one. And as you can see, it's this one, but this one is not construction paper, and this one is. So it might be a little bit bigger than that one. So let's put those aside. And now we are gonna be making this one. And to start that one, we are gonna fold this up. And so you guys comment down below which ones went the first. So we're gonna try the green one first, then the blue one. And let's try it.
Whoa.
3, 2, 1, go.
Whoa.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, guys.